What's up with y'all? Welcome back to another video. Chevy Boy Car Reviews, and we're checking in with another video. Your boy out here in Missouri right now, man. On our way back. Boy, been putting in some overtime driving today. Gotta get this gas real quick. What was I about to say? Yeah, man. It's I had to come down here for some training, some work training, and stuff like that. Yeah, so it was all good. As you can see, it's been a long week. I've been out here all week. You see my ponytail is effed up and stuff like that. But yeah, man, so I'm finna head back to the city. We're gonna hit up a car meet today. It's supposed to be doing like some type of vengeance racing at this little spot, and we're gonna go from there, man, and see what happens. And y'all, gonna run everybody over. Man, gas high than hell out here, boy. What a gas thing here. I don't even see the gas thing. That shit high though. Just made it back to the crib. Damn, that was a long ass ride. And yeah, man. And I still need to go get some microfiber towels to clean the SS, man. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video, because we're gonna go put some window tint on Camaro. I don't know what I'm gonna do, what type of tint and all that yet, but we're gonna see. But I got an appointment tomorrow at 9 to get that done, so we're gonna do that. What else? Oh, package came. Yeah. Got a little package from Amazon. Let's see what the hell it could be. Hold on real quick. Alright, let's see what we got going on up in here. Oh yeah? Plant protein, planta. Yes sir, man. Got to have the protein, man. But this, if you vegan, this is the best shit to have. The best shit to have. And my boy Mike Rashid, this is his little shit. So I think Kevin Gates is partial owner of this company as well. But it's real good protein powder, so y'all should check that out. Ordered it yesterday. This shit got here quick. Anyway, man, so we finna get ready to. Actually, I'm finna make me a shake because I ain't eat shit. But I'm gonna make me one. I'm gonna make a shake right quick, and then we're gonna go up to get some microfiber towels, some glass cleaner, and then we're gonna clean the SS up a little bit, and then we're gonna slide it. Stay tuned.
They turned down to the There's a Bugatti back that way. It's a Bugatti?
Bugatti?
I know you like doing your little live things.
Yeah.
Bugatti back that way.
Yeah, I'm gonna go on back over there and get it, man. I'll be back up here. Where you parked at?
I ain't in the table.
Ah, okay. Alright. Which one? Oh, this one. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that motherfucker nasty.
I like how that motherfucker sit.
But them look so good with that splint.
Bro, that's why you had one.
Yeah, but I'm gonna tell you what. I sold it because that money looked better in my account.
Yeah.
Then I go downgrade. As long as the engine the same, they ain't.
But you can always boost your shit up.
Yeah, like. Cause they didn't go to no 6.4 or nothing. They still 6.2s. And
Man, what kind? He got a clean ass SS?
yeah, he got a 14.
Oh,
Yeah, he got a yellow 2014. He just got it. Not about a few months ago. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah. What is this, that's missing. Damn, I gotta pause the video because, damn music, yeah. What's that? Oh, yeah, the 410. Yeah. Well, my shit still ain't moved out my storage. My shit still ain't moved out the storage.
Still got your shit?
Hell yeah.
You got this, the Firebird, and the SA?
Yep. But my shit only got 35,000 miles on it. I think I'm gonna sit. Which one?
Drop top. Next to the purple Camaro.
Oh, yeah, that's a. Oh, yeah. Let me go over there. Damn. Hey, look how wide these tires is on this. Damn, the hoes. Yeah, yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, it is. Yep. T-top, yep.
You gonna keep that one instead of Camaro?
I'm gonna keep both. If and the SS look like that, just like that, red with the black, it's T-top too. The scoop. But bro, that shit ain't.
That shit sound good.
Yeah, it do.
They got race cars.
Check that Bugatti out over there. Man, I'm telling you, with bugs. I would do and wouldn't do. Yes. Damn. Yes, that's what I wanted to move.
That's his shit?
Yeah, yep.
Oh, that shit cool.
Yeah. That was the year I was gonna get, but I don't. Yeah, he said that's what they letting in. I bet we could have got in had I came through the thing.
I like his guts though. His guts clean, got that old boost in there.
Yeah, hell yeah. Damn, them guts is nasty. I ain't never seen one like that with them guts.
I like his color.
Yeah. He should have had the little brackets down there. I don't know what they call
them. He should have the yellow ones on there to match the brakes.
Yeah, yep.
Cause I got the red one. This motherfucker right here. This is my pop's guy.
For real?
He got black and yellow ones. It looks just like it too. The top is carbon fiber.
Yeah, you could have got on there. Shit, that motherfucker in here, you showed that damn focus. You sure could have got in here. Yeah. This one? That's Zach's cousin.
Is it?
You remember Zach?
Yeah, the one we was riding with.
Yeah, you remember he had a cousin with a blue Mustang?
Yeah, we went to that hit the tires on the north side.
Yeah, that's his shit. Cause I seen him.
He souped it up then.
Yeah, he did.
He running nice. Them bitches fast. Shit, I be seeing him everywhere.
Which one? Oh, the dude in the mirror? Yeah, he got that motherfucker running.
Yeah, that bitch running, nigga.
Man. I know it. 1L lead.
I like that one better though.
Yeah, that black one shit.
I just started noticing these the LT4 and these the LS models.
Yeah.
These come with the LT4 because the lights in the front end is different as well.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
He got a ZL1. That's a ZL1 package. Yeah, his shit is. Yeah.
Hype shit.
Yeah. No mercy and shit.
That one. I don't know. This is. I like how this
I ain't gonna lie, they had some shit over in that damn parking lot there.
You want to go over there?
Yeah, let's go over there and see what they got going.
It's cool though.
This nigga done put some shit on his car.
Nah, cheap.
Hell yeah, that's a 2014.
I gotta be like smacking that motherfucker.
Girl, I can't stand them motherfuckers.
Boy,
I
watch.
hate them damn Mustangs.
I got a video burning him, nigga. We was on 15 going 132.
Oh shit, they ran.
Ooh, get on his ass.
Nigga, he gone.
Get on him. Hold on, I got a video burning that nigga, bro. He been looking for me too.
Yeah. Well, this camera is backing it on this motherfucker. This camera's crazy.
That's all, bro.
Yeah, it's getting ran through by all the race car dudes. Yeah. Man, that's crazy. That's the year I was gonna get too. No, that ain't him. Hey, he is fat, but that ain't. He got a. These niggas is out here having a pipe off.
Ain't nobody racing.
Man, that's what I'm on. I got to smoke some tires out here. Alright, y'all. So, yeah, there was a little bit of that, man, but these police is like on some straight bullshit, bro. Like, I ain't gonna even lie to y'all. Turn this damn radio down. Yeah, they on some straight hoe shit, bro. I ain't gonna even lie to you. One just followed us almost 2 miles to this gas station. So hold on real quick. Hell yeah, nigga! I thought this nigga was about to follow us. So I was like, I'll just come up here to this RQ. You follow? Look, and I need to be like you and put my damn glasses on. Yeah, I done put mine on. Shit. You know, I turned into Kirk Franklin real quick. Shit. So I had to lose Buddy because they was over there following us, acting weird. Hell yeah, his goofy ass didn't even. Did he? Alright. So yeah, y'all. Oh, did he? Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, hell yeah. I might have to give that nigga $1 when I see him. Yeah, so as y'all can see. So they got another destination. We're gonna go check that out real quick. And while they go from there, I put my specs on. I'll get real professional. You know, when the police get behind me with these glasses on, I can get out of anything. But this ponytail is the issue. But yeah, I'll turn the camera back on as soon as we get to the next destination. Let's get it. That motherfucker. Alright. Boy, that shit popping my ears. That was loud as motherfucker. I really can't hear him. I'm done with that nigga. He gonna pop his damn muffler off. Alright, y'all, so that's gonna end this video, man. I was trying to get some footage. We went to a second destination. They was gonna race, yada yada yada. They was all starting to pull in, but man, the chopper came out. They had the bird in the sky, and it was just getting bad, man. So everybody kind of started just getting out of Dodge and going their separate ways. Look, y'all hear they still, I'm hiding right now. Shit, I'm in a designated area. I'm hiding, shit. So, yeah, man, so it was pretty cool. Oh, shit, that was pretty cool, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Yeah, it was just fun, man. They had some nice shit out there today. I ain't gonna lie, I'm tired though, and I could have hung out a little longer, but bro, that Missouri drive wore a nigga out today, and yeah, I was just tired. So yes, yeah, I got to go home and end the night early, but meanwhile, look at him. Yeah. Yeah. That black nice. But yeah, I've been fish bowling too long, man. Fish bowling. I don't like that shit. Every time I drive past somebody, they just all in the car. Looking. That shit is annoying. But anyway, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell, turn that poster off so you can get all my videos, man. And just stay posted, man. We got more lit content coming for the SS. We slowly but surely gonna soup it up. I don't know what the next mod is that we're gonna do for the Marrow, but it's gonna happen, and it's damn sure gonna be a good one, a lit one. So other than that, y'all stay tuned, and I'll catch y'all next time, man, and we'll go from there. I'll let y'all. Peace.